WeedSeeker, the 21st century solution for a millennium-old problem, weeds. Vineyard owners, managers, and operators have faced the problem of controlling weeds in vineyards for thousands of years. The WeedSeeker has the ability to automatically spot spray only weeds and not bare ground, reducing chemical use up to 80%. This results in reduced chemical costs, reduced chemical impact on the environment, along with efficient and effective weed control. WeedSeeker Selective Spray Systems, the best solution to the age-old problem of weed control. The WeedSeeker Vineyard Spray System can be mounted on a variety of vehicles, including ATVs, vineyard tractors, and other utility vehicles. The sensors are mounted under hoods on the spray boom to protect the vines from drift. The sensor has a built-in infrared LED light source, a reflected light detector, and an electromagnetic solenoid and spray nozzle. The heart of the WeedSeeker is a printed circuit board that identifies the weed by analyzing the spectral reflectance of light for the presence of chlorophyll. The electronics are assembled into a durable, impact-resistant nylon housing with an integrated stainless steel mounting bracket. The sensor uses durable and reliable electronics that have been used for years in military, aeronautic, printing, spray industries, and is field proven for over 8 years. Each sensor covers a 12-inch wide area. The sensors are mounted side by side and can be angled to spray weeds to the middle of the berm by the vine stem. The sensors are connected electronically using a daisy chain electronic configuration and plumbed with a chemical hose. The control box is mounted conveniently near the operator and controls the power, speed, sensitivity, and soil base. The system is available with pump and chemical tank, or it can be installed with customer-provided equipment. The system operates at around 40 psi. WeedSeeker can be used to spray berms and middles. The University of California Kearney Ag Center has determined that normal weed pressure in vineyards is approximately 5 to 10%. Typical sprayers will spray weeds and bare ground. WeedSeeker is made to avoid bare spots, conserve herbicide, and spray only the weeds. The operation is simple and easy. Once the system is turned on and warmed up, simply pull into the field and begin to dry. The WeedSeeker does the rest. The sensor will detect weeds as small as the size of a dime. It sprays the weed and then waits until it detects another weed. Sensors operate independently, ready to spray weeds in their 12-inch field of view. The sensors are designed to detect and to spray at speeds up to 10 miles per hour. Most vineyard systems operate at 5 to 6 miles per hour. The red light on the back of each sensor shows the fast-acting spray solenoid, designed to rapidly turn on and off, minimizing spray pattern and maximizing ground speed. Pressure to use less chemicals is increasing, and application costs are rising. The WeedSeeker allows you to apply chemicals precisely and in low amounts. The WeedSeeker is an investment to save money. It saves money by reducing chemical use up to 80% and eliminating the labor required for manual spot spraying. Time is saved by reducing downtime to refill tanks and by increasing spray speeds up to 10 miles per hour. The sensors operate day or night, allowing maximum use of equipment. The WeedSeeker uses less chemical, reducing environmental impact and helping meet increased environmental regulations. The WeedSeeker delivers a great deal of value to any vineyard operator worldwide and has many other agricultural and industrial applications. Hooded row crop systems are used in cotton and soybeans to control weeds between rows. USDA studies have achieved up to 80% chemical savings in cotton and soybeans. Almond, olive, cherry, and other orchards have used WeedSeeker systems for many years for weed control on berms and in the middles. State and county transportation departments are using WeedSeeker to control weed growth on roads and roadsides. Complete systems are available, including the Sidewinder with an automatic retractable boom. Irrigation districts use WeedSeeker to control growth on ditch banks and reduce chemical runoff into waterways. WeedSeeker is used worldwide on U.S. military bases. Utility-mounted systems have proven effective to control weeds on runways, taxiways, and roads, and help bases meet rigid herbicide reduction requirements. Railroads in the U.S. and Europe are using WeedSeeker to spray right-of-ways at speeds up to 50 miles per hour. The results have been significant cost savings from chemical reduction and reduced spray drift. The WeedSeeker is a wise investment for any Vineyard IPM program. Spray what you want to spray and nothing more. It's precision agriculture mixed with good old common sense.
It does use far less material than if you were trying to spray the dirt and the weed together. By spraying the weed only, you save about 60 to 70% of the material that you would ordinarily use. It's very easy to use. It's just a matter of driving or spraying as you would with any normal weed sprayer, except you're just using less material. For strip spraying, it's ideal. It's an ideal product in the grape business.
You can increase the effectiveness of your weed control program with the revolutionary WeedSeeker selective spray system. Spray weeds, not bare ground or dirt. Reduce your costs, increase your profits, and help the environment. WeedSeeker, the 21st century solution to the millennium-old problem of weed control. WeedSeeker is a product from Intech Industries, Incorporated.